Hello, this is Roy from Talkpod. Today, we're unboxing the Talkpod GMRS Dual-BAND radio 371 for you. There are three main functions in this radio. First, this radio is with 2 transmit frequencies and 6 receive frequencies. Second, with a 1.44-inch color display and 16 keypad, and there are 10 colors to choose. 3. It's already with FCC approval, so it can sell and license-free used USA market. Okay, let's unboxing the radio quickly. Here's the owner's manual. It comes with a rapid rate desktop charger, a slim but high capacity lithium battery pack with Type-C plug, a flexible dual-band VHF and UHF antenna, a rug spring bell clip, a needle stripe, and a green 371 radio. This 371 GMRS radio got the same slim and easy handhold design.
Frequency mode.
This radio has a 1.4-inch color screen and the UI is very friendly. It can display 2 frequencies at the same time. And with 16 keypad, every button are the shortcut key. It's with a 36mm loudspeaker. There's a direct PDT button and 2 grammable buttons. And at the top of the radio is a SOS button and volume knob. It uses the popular Kenwood 2-pin connector, which is easy to find an earphone. It's also IP54 Lab certified waterproof rated, so you can use in outdoor when you are hiking, camping and exploring, etc. So that's a quick view of our GMRS 371 radio. Thanks for your watching. See you later.